Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of noCRM action automation for workflows. Let's get started. Once your account is loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install and click on it. The next thing you would want to do is to refresh your page. Once the page is fully loaded, search for the custom page of the application you just installed. In this interface, we have a series of tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab. It contains information about the application. The next tab is the tutorials tab, which contains videos and smart tools that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. Next, you have the setup tab, and this is where we set up our application. To set up our application, start by clicking on Setup. Next, head to your noCRM account and hover on your profile. Next, click on Admin Panel. In Admin Panel, click on Integrations, and from there, click on API and Automation. Next, click on API Keys. Scroll down and click on Create an API Key. Give the API key a name and give it a description. Then you click on Save. Copy your API key, head back to your account, and paste it. Head back to your noCRM account and copy the domain. Then you go back to your account and you paste it where required and you click on Complete. The application has been set up successfully. The next tab is the Support tab, and here you can create tickets and calls with our support team in case you have any issues. The final tab is the changelog tab. This tab keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. And also, you can receive notifications each time a change is made. To do that, toggle this on, fill in your email address, and click on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.